This Davidson model shows like new construction with over 3,500 square feet including 6 bedrooms, 4 full baths and a 3-car garage. Enjoy this open floor plan west/spacious kitchen west/upgraded premier kitchen package of 42 inches soft close cabinetry, granite countertops, gas cooktop, large pantry, breakfast area. Crown molding, wainscoting, vinyl laminate flooring enhances dining room west/coiffeur ceilings, bay window, office west/glass French doors and large family room with gas fireplace. First floor has a bedroom, 1 full bath west/marble countertop. Upstairs loft leads to 4 bedrooms, 2 full bath west/1 being Jack and Jill serving 2 bedrooms. Master bedroom has tray ceiling, master bath has large garden tub west large window and semi-frameless glass shower west bench. Laundry room has large countertop for folding clothes and lots of cabinetry. Third floor houses another bedroom, full bath west attic and